Bismillah. Okay, good morning class. So at this point you guys have written all the notes. So let's read through them and then do a couple of calculations pertaining the perimeter, area and volume of this of these objects. Okay. So perimeter and area. Later on when we're done with this and we are more comfortable with calculating the perimeter and area, we will then go into the volume calculation. Volume and total surface area calculation. So the first thing is to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. How do you calculate perimeter? We know perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Or it can be written as P into 2. P is equal to 2 into L plus P. No, L plus B. Not so? And the area is going to be length times breadth. Okay. This formula, all these formulas you must memorize. Okay. People, what? Which page is this on? Page 172. So 172. Okay. The next one we have a square. Square is going to be, the perimeter is going to be the sum of all the sides there, so it will be 4 times side. The area is going to be side times side or side square. Okay. Then we have a triangle. The triangle is going to be the sum of the sides, so it's going to be AB plus BC plus AC, or that length plus that length plus that length, or that length plus that length plus that length. Can you see that, people? Yes. For the area is going to be a half base times perpendicular height. So if you look at this this length here, there's your base and there's your perpendicular height. Can you see that? There's your base, there's your perpendicular height. There's your base. Only that's the key there. Okay, that's your base and that's your perpendicular. Can you see that, people? So it's half a base times perpendicular. And the next one is the area of a circle. For those of you who don't know how to draw that thing, it will be that pi. No? This draws pi. Okay? So the perimeter of the circle, which is this on the outside here, is going to be 2 pi r, or P is equal to pi times your diameter. So also a circle. The formula of the perimeter of the circle, that's the one I use. I use that one all the time. Okay? And the area of a circle is going to be pi r squared. Now you ask, now where does pi fit in? Okay? That's in here. Circle. In any circle, the circumference, which is the perimeter, which is that on the outside, the circumference, divided by the diameter, which is that line going from there to there. You guys know what the diameter is, no? So the circle, and you've got the chord, and the chord is going through the center of the circle. This is what we call a diameter. Okay, you guys understand? What's your diameter? Okay. So your circumference, the perimeter of the circle divided by your diameter, will give you pi. Now pi is a constant. Okay? Pi, we put in the calculator, is 3,14 and the number carries on for you. So is that a rational or an irrational number? Irrational. Okay? So we simplify it to 3,14 or 22 over 7. 22 over 7 is an answer close to pi and never pi. Okay? But we have a calculator, so we're going to use a pi button on the calculator. Okay? Okay, but don't worry about it, we'll get there. So we are told pi, which is pi, which has a constant value. Therefore the circumference of a circle, the circumference is also known as the perimeter. The circumference. You see the perimeter of the circle this here? It's also known as the circumference. Can you see that, people?
Yes, sir.
Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay? And again, that's the formula I use for the circumference. 2 pi r. Okay? In units, perimeter or circumference is expressed in centimeters, meters, kilometers, millimeters, etc. Whilst the area of a shape is expressed in centimeters squared, meters squared, millimeters squared, kilometers squared, whatever squared, acre. Okay? You all okay with that? Right. Which page are we on now? Sorry? 173? 3. Okay. These are examples on page 173. Write down the first one. And with that information that I gave you, it says calculate the perimeter and the area of each of the following. Round of answers to 2 decimal figures when necessary. Okay, so there's the first one. What type of shape is this? Right, so do the perimeter and the area of this rectangle. Okay. Still busy. Right, so perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. We start off with the formula first. So if my length is 6 and the breadth is 4, it's going to be 6 times 2 plus 2 times. What's 6 times 2? 12 plus 8 is 20 centimeters. You all got that? Right, let's look at the next one shape. Sorry, the same shape but the area. How do you calculate the area? Length times breadth. That's a formula. That's my length. 6 times 4. And 6 times 4 is not 10. Okay, you guys understand? Right, there's the next shape. Number 2, perimeter and area. Yes?
Is that 6 or 8?
6. Okay. So the perimeter is going to be the sum of all the sides. That's sum of sides. So the first piece is going to be 6 plus 8 plus 12, which is 26 centimeters. Not so? Yes? Okay, the perimeter, you must start here. Be that length plus that length plus that length. That's the perimeter. Okay. So work out the area. How do you calculate the area of a triangle? Of base times perpendicular. That means 90 degrees, no? So what's the base here? Going to be from there to there. 8. Okay? Times your perpendicular, which is 3. You see, this is your base and that is your perpendicular. Okay? Oh, the answer is 12 centimeters. Look at the next one. Yes? Why did I write 3 instead of 6?
6 instead of 3.
Wait. Perimeter. You must remember the perimeter is the sum of the sides outside the figure. So you see from there to there to there. That figure is what you calculate. So if I must draw that figure here, that's what it will look like. 6, 12 and 8. That is the figure. But outside, you see this dotted line, that doesn't actually belong to the figure. You understand? What they're doing is they're just drawing a perpendicular height in there.
Oh, so it's actually pretty.
Yeah, that is why that is not part of the triangle. You understand? These are 8, 6 and 12.
That's why I put it the wrong.
What did you see it as a 3? So then how do you calculate the perimeter? Because you must add up all the sides on the outside. Okay. The third one? The next one? To calculate the perimeter, what am I shorting? The side of AC. But how do you think you're going to calculate AC? Pythagoras, yes. So do you think? Guys finished? No, this is number 3, not 4. Did I do number 3 or are you still busy with number 3? So busy, okay? Okay. Number 3. What do I need? I need AC. So what am I going to use? Pythagoras. Not so. So I say 13 squared is equal to 12 squared plus AC squared. The reason is Pythagoras. With angle A equals 90. Okay. So you take it over the equal sign, becomes 13 squared minus 12 squared is equal to AC squared. What is 13 squared minus 12 squared? 169 minus 144. 25. So AC squared is 25. Okay, the square root thereof. So AC works out to be. You all agree with that? Now let's look at the perimeter. Perimeter is going to be the sum of all sides. The sum of sides. So what is that going to be? Of? No. It's going to be 5 plus 12 plus 13. Which is? 30. Okay, that is the perimeter. The first one was to calculate the length of AC. Why do I need the length of AC? Because AC plus BC plus AC all together makes up your perimeter. Yes? The Pythagoras. It's, what's the theorem of Pythagoras in words? The hypotenuse squared in any right angle triangle is? Hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of other two sides squared. So that's your hypotenuse, the side opposite the 90 degrees. So 13 squared is equal to 12 squared plus AC squared. This was the theorem of Pythagoras. And then you just solve AC. Yes? Huh? Why did you minus it? Because we want to solve for AC. Can you see what must we do? We must get it on its own first. So I took it over the equal sign. People then they ask us to work out the area. How do you calculate the area of a triangle? Half base times perpendicular. Is half. What's my base? 13. Okay, just take your one back quickly. We look at the shape here. Okay, we look at the shape here. Okay, this one here. This was your base and that's your perpendicular. Not so? So I take the same shape. The same shape. And I rotate it. What do you notice? This is still your base, that's still your perpendicular. Can you see that? Even if I turn it further, your base and your perpendicular. Or vice versa. This should have been your base and that would have been your perpendicular. Not so. It has nothing to do with this length here. Even if I turn it that way. There's your base and your perpendicular. Or your base and your perpendicular. So it's to do with that 90 degrees, people. It is to do with that 90. Make sense? So let's go here. So, what is the base? 12 times what's your perpendicular? 5. Or it could have been the other way around. So 5 times 13. Sorry, 12, sorry. Do you understand, people? So work that out. which gives you 30 centimeters. Right, you guys understand? Here's the next one. It says area and B. So you're not going to calculate the perimeter. So work out the area first. Okay. So was it? Right? Okay. So they ask you for area only. So how do you calculate the area? Half base times perpendicular height. So what is this base? 10. And then 4 will be perpendicular. You all agree with that? So it's going to be half 10 times perpendicular height, which is 4. Which is 20 units squared. Okay. So, yes? Add the 5 to what? Okay, the 5 is perpendicular to which length? Which length is 5 perpendicular to? B. But if you use this as your base, then that is your perpendicular. You see that 4 is standing perpendicular to that 10. That is what you see, that's your 90. So that's your base and that's your height. Okay? But that is going to come into play now. Because they ask you to calculate B. So what formula can we set up for B? Also area formula. Area is going to be your base times the perpendicular. Can you see that? Area is also going to be half your base times the perpendicular. So it's half. What's the length of this base here? B. What's the length of the perpendicular height? 5. But what's the area of this piece? What's the area of that triangle? 20. How do we know that? It's coming from the previous calculation. Make sense, people? Okay. So it now just becomes a simple equation. Okay? So to solve for b, I divide both sides by half times 5. Can you see that? If I divide by half, that cancels. Divide by 5, that must cancel. So b works out to be, work that out.
Good afternoon. Can I have your attention for notices, please? The pupil who asked to buy a scarf this morning, can you come to the office, please? Erin Kibbenay, please come to the office. We will follow the tricks. Can you come to the office, please, during break? Nyasha Chinyama, Laura McConey, Gracia Mini, Sheila Matale, Martha Mwanza, Medina Rudigana, and Lisa Tayan Gisakaye. If you can come to the office to see me during break, please. Thank you.
So that is 8 units, people. You will understand. Alright. For homework? For homework, I would like you guys to do from exercise 1.
Oh, ja, write it down. Ik kan gewoon daar zo. Ja, jullie gaan met die smies.
Just hang on, close it, Ursula.
Erin Finch, can you come to the office, please?
Should you go sit down, please?
Alright. For homework, I would like you guys to do from exercise 1. It's 1.1 to 1.6. And that's on page 176. 176. So it's exercise 1, page 171. No? You're going to do for me numbers 1.1 to 1.6. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good afternoon, class. Huh?